Most families pay for a VPN are getting about 25% of the protection that they're actually paying for. And that's because they set it up on one or two devices and leave the rest of the household completely exposed. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in today's video, we're getting into how to set up ExpressVPN across your family's phones, laptops, and tablets, so everyone in the household is actually protected without anyone having to think about it. This setup sounds way more complicated than it actually is. Once you know the right order, the router strategy, and the one trick that covers every device in your house at once, the whole thing takes about 20 minutes. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to cover your entire household under one ExpressVPN subscription, including the option that protects every device with zero per device setup at all. Okay, let's start with what you're working with. So a single ExpressVPN subscription supports multiple simultaneous connections, 8 on the basic plan and up to 14 on higher tier plans, depending on your bundle. That means every active device in your household can connect to ExpressVPN at the same time under one account. ExpressVPN has native apps for iOS, Android, Windows, and everything in between, even a browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. It also works on smart TVs, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. The lightweight protocol on all of these delivers really strong speeds, retaining about 81% of base connection speed in testing, which is a long way of saying the VPN is genuinely invisible during everyday browsing and streaming. Your kids won't notice it's on and they won't try to turn it off. In terms of setting up your first devices, here's the order to do this in. So if you don't have ExpressVPN, we do have an exclusive link down below where you can get started. If you already have one, go ahead and log into your account. Go to setup in your account dashboard. Each device you add will need an activation code, so you'll go ahead and find those right there in the dashboard. Keep the screen open as you work through the household devices. For phones and tablets, download the ExpressVPN app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it, sign in with your account credentials, and connect. On first connection, choose Smart Location. That automatically picks the fastest available server, and it's the right default for everyday use. For laptops and computers, download the desktop app for Windows or Mac OS from your ExpressVPN account. Install it, sign in, and connect. The desktop app has more configuration options, including split tunneling, which we'll get into in a minute. The VPN indicator in your device's status bar confirms the connection is active. If you see it, then you're protected. Okay, now here is the router strategy. So protect every single thing at once. Okay, now here's the router strategy. This is the move most families don't know about, and it's the single biggest thing that you can do to actually cover your whole household. The most powerful family setup is installing ExpressVPN directly on your home router. When the VPN runs at a router level, every single device that connects to your home Wi-Fi is automatically protected. Phones, laptops, tablets, smart TVs, gaming consoles, smart home devices, all of it. You don't install or manage the VPN app on each device individually. The protection is always on for anything that touches your home network. And here's the thing, this is the cheat code. This only uses one connection slot from your ExpressVPN plan, no matter how many devices are on the network. A household with 12 devices uses one of your available connections instead of 12. ExpressVPN supports router installation on many popular router models with step-by-step guides in their setup section for the most common firmware types. If you don't want to deal with router firmware at all, ExpressVPN sells it on its own called AirCove that comes with ExpressVPN built in. You configure it once and it runs automatically for every device in the house. For families who want this set and forget, AirCove is the cleanest path to the whole house protection. The router approach is the easiest solution for kids' devices specifically. With ExpressVPN running on your router, your child's phone or tablet is protected automatically when they're home and they don't need to manage any app themselves. This works really well for younger kids who shouldn't be configuring privacy software in the first place. For kids who use devices outside the home, at school, at friends' houses, or even on public Wi-Fi, you can install the ExpressVPN app on their device yourself and then enable Auto Connect in the app settings. Again, when Auto Connect is on, the VPN activates automatically whenever they join any Wi-Fi network. They don't need to interact with the app at all. It will just run in the background and protect them. Now let's talk about split tunneling, because this is the feature most families actually never use, but it's genuinely very useful in a few situations. So basically what it is it lets you choose which apps go through the VPN and which ones connect directly to the internet. For a family, this matters when banking apps that don't work through a VPN need to be excluded from the tunnel while everything else stays protected. It's also helpful if someone wants a specific streaming app to connect through a particular server location for geo content access without routing all of their traffic through that server. On the desktop apps, you'll find split tunneling in settings under general or options, and then you can include or exclude specific apps from the VPN tunnel. On mobile, split tunneling is available for Android. iOS has some limitations here because of Apple's system restrictions, but configure it on any household device where someone has a specific per app need. Here's how to manage multiple devices. So again, you either want to click our link below to get signed up with ExpressVPN or go ahead and just log into your account. You want to go ahead and visit My Devices to see every activated device and manage your active connections. Just a quick thing worth knowing, you can have more devices activated on your account than your simultaneous connection limit. The limit only applies to devices connected at the same time, not the total number set up. So you can essentially install ExpressVPN on every family device and they all stay active even if not all of them are connected simultaneously. If you hit the connection limit and a new device tries to connect, the oldest active connection typically gets dropped automatically. Again, the router setup eliminates this concern entirely because all household devices count as a single router connection, regardless of how many are connected to the actual Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's dive into the pros and cons. So ExpressVPN's advantages for families are very real. Fast speeds that are genuinely invisible in daily use, apps for every common device type, router support that covers unlimited household devices under one connection slot, and consistent performance across mobile connections where speeds normally vary. The 30-day money-back guarantee gives you a full month to test the entire household setup with no risk, which will go into the pricing in a second. The biggest limitation for large families is the simultaneous connection cap at 8 on the basic plan. The router setup completely bypasses this, but it does require a compatible router, hardware, or the AirCove purchase. Okay, now let's dive into the different plans and pricing options. So again, if you want to get the best price possible, we do have a link down below. We'll just click Get ExpressVPN. So they have a couple different options. With the initial service term, you can go month to month, 12-month, or 2-year, but I'm going to review the 2 months because that's how, again, you're going to get the best price possible. You're going to save the most. So with each plan as well, right now you can get 2 years plus the extra 4 months. So an even bigger discount. And each of these plans has a 30-day money back guaranteed. The basic plan is $2.49 per month. You get 10 simultaneous devices, light protection, and then Express Mail Guard. Then the advanced plan is $2.99 per month. With this, you get 12 devices, advanced protection, and then other things like Express Keys, Identity Defender, and then holiday.com. And lastly is the Pro plan, which is $5.49 per month. With this, you get 14 simultaneous devices, dedicated IP, advanced protection, and then everything else that's in the advanced plan except another added on Express AI. So choose the plan that best fits your family's needs. ExpressVPN is a strong family VPN choice when speed is the priority and you want a setup that actually works across every device type in the modern household. The router option is really powerful for families who want protection without having to manage individual device apps. A VPN subscription running on one device in a 4-person household gets you about 25% of the protection that you're paying for. The router setup and multi-device app configuration gets you to full household coverage for no additional costs, and the whole thing takes about 20 minutes to set up properly. If you want to get started with ExpressVPN and save up to 80%, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay safe online with clear and honest explanations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.